Welcome friends to the Vitor classes. Now we are in the last part of this alligation and mixture. Okay, so here we will understand and simplify our question. This is an important question, one of another kind. It will be very helpful to understand this question in a good way and use this in exam, because this question will come in exam, and if you don't know the way to solve it, you might get stuck. Okay, so the the question here is 8 liters are drawn from a cask. Cask means just consider a drum full of wine and is then filled with water. So a drum is like there, and from that drum 8 liter of wine is taken out, and instead of 8 liter they have put it water. Okay, means 8 liter of water they have put it. So this operation is performed 3 more times. Okay, so the process this is gone for 3 more times. So now he is saying that the ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask to that of water is 16:65. Okay, so how much wine did the cask hold initially? So let's solve it. So first of all, let's consider the quantity of wine, initial quantity of wine in cask be x liter. Okay, so I have told you the formula about this in second lecture of this thing, so please go that and see that part if you don't understand here. So quantity of wine left in cask after 4 operation. Quantity after 4 operation will be x into 1 minus 8 by x to the power 4. Okay, if you don't get this formula, just go to second lecture and see, you will get it. So this is the what we are saying, this is the quantity of wine left. Okay, so therefore we can write that x by the quantity of water is equal to, okay, so here it is given, it is the wine left in the cask to the water. So now that is given, so now this amount is the wine, this amount is the water. So if we add both of these two, what we will get? We will get the whole amount of liquid in that drum, and that must be equal to the wine, initial amount of wine. So what is the initial amount of wine? X we have considered. So we simply put 16, the ratio of wine now to the ratio of wine in a whole, means 16 plus 65, we're getting 81. So now we can here write as, so this is 16 is 2 into 2 into okay, let me write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this x will cut it out. Now what we are having is 1 minus 4 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 4. Now both 4 are 4 up, so there it will get cancelled out. So we simply have 1 minus 8 by x is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so this will go this side, this will come this side, so it will coming 1 by 2 minus 3, sorry, 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by x, or we are getting here as this, take LCM 3, it will come 3 minus 2 is 8 by x, or 1 by 3 is equal to 8 by x. So x will come here, this will go there, so x equals equal to 8 into 3 means 24 liter. So 24 liter is the amount of wine which was there in this this cask. Okay, so this is your answer. If you have any problem, please comment in the comment box. I'm repeatedly saying this. If you have any problem, please comment. I will solve it for you. Thank you for watching. Please like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.